Hey guys, what's going on? So today, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make some munchies, my nacho cheese balls. I'm using the PowerXL AIR FRYER PRO. So let's get right into it. We're gonna pop the cream cheese in the bowl. Shredded cheddar. The cream cheese will start to work into the cheese. Then you're gonna make little balls. So you want them about an inch or smaller. We do our dry. Then I'm gonna go back into the wet. So this is what I call the double dip. That is a double dipped nacho cheese ball. Now here are the finished nacho cheese balls. Take some Campbell's or whatever your favorite tomato soup is, and then take one of the nacho cheese balls and put it right in the middle.
All right, hold on.
Try to make some extra.
Oh.
Triple the recipe. Use the PowerXL NutriSealer Duo. Now what that's gonna do is it's gonna vacuum seal all of the air out. A professional grade vacuum sealer. It fits in the palm of my hand. It's so easy to use. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.